Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If tax season makes you anxious, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to file your taxes using TurboTax in 2025. This guide will walk you through every step so you can confidently complete your tax return without mistakes. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head to the official TurboTax website. You can search for it or type turbotax.com directly. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. If you don't already have an account, no problem. TurboTax makes it easy to create one. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready in minutes. Once logged in, you'll see the home screen where all your tax filing options are displayed. To start, go to the Review/Edit section. This is where you can access your current tax year return. Here, you can check and correct any information you've already entered. It's a great way to make sure everything is accurate before you move forward. Updating your personal profile. Next, head over to the Personal Profile section. Here you'll confirm or enter essential details like your name, social security number, and address. Accuracy here is crucial. Any mistakes can cause delays in processing your return. Reporting your income. Now it's time to report your income. TurboTax guides you step by step through each field, making it simple to enter. W-2 forms. From employers' 1099 forms for freelancer contract work. Make sure to have all your income documents ready. This will save time and reduce errors. TurboTax also explains what each field means so you'll know exactly what to enter. Once all income is entered, TurboTax automatically calculates your deductions and credits, showing how they impact your return. Take your time to double-check everything. Accuracy is key. When you're ready, TurboTax will guide you through the final review to ensure all sections of your return are complete. After that, you can confidently file your taxes online. And that's it. You're done. Filing taxes doesn't have to be stressful. With TurboTax, it's straightforward, guided, and secure. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.